Playtime fam! Good morning! Sporty ang peg natin ngayon kasi for today's video, mag-golf tayo. This is your Playtime Josa Arya. Are you ready na ba sa isang golf match? Kasi ako, I'm ready! But before anything else, today is the 27th Annual APS Cup Medical City Charity Golf Tournament. Dito yan sa Halo Ridge Pilipinas Golf sa San Pedro, Laguna. Hindi lang ito about golf, Playtime fam. Tumutulong tayo habang nag-e-enjoy kaya mas nakaka-good vibes maglaro today. And of course, this event is proudly supported by Playtime Entertainment. So thank you so much, Playtime Entertainment. At syempre, hindi papahuli ang Playtime booth. May mga merch like bags, sun visor, and waterproof phone cases. But the tournament is about to start. Ako, excited na ako at kinakabahan. At dahil dyan, it's time na rin para sa challenge. Dito, susubukin natin ang galing, balance at lakas dahil hindi lang ito simpleng challenge na ako, kinakabahan ako. May pa-consequences pa. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Unang challenge, Playtime fam. So reach the par 4 in 2 strikes. So paano nga ba yon? So nasa par 4 kami ngayon as you can see. So kailangan ma-reach ko yung par 4 ng 2 beses lang. So ngayon nandito ako sa tipad at titira ako. Dahil pag hindi ko na-reach yon, nako, may consequence ako. Abangan nyo yan kung anong consequence ko. Tara, palo na tayo! Okay, ready? Shucks, nakakakaba. Ay! Lost ball, ate! Lost ball. Okay, first try pa lang yun. Siyempre, kailangan mag-warm up na tayo. Pero meron pa akong last chance. Kaya, let's go!
Nice.
Ate, hindi ko na alam. So, natalo ako sa first challenge, Playtime fam. Sadly. So, kailangan mag-joke ako sa inyo. So, meron akong 3 joke! Ano yun? Joke, joke, joke! Ako lang natawa! Para sa next challenge natin, dapat mabasok ko ang bola in 1 strike. So, may consequence pagka hindi ko nagawa or hindi ko napasok yung bola in 1 strike. Ang staff namin ngayon, nakasama ko ngayon, ay papagawa nila ako ng challenge na magme-make ako ng animal sound. So, depende yun sa kanila. So, let the challenge begin. 3. Ay! Ang may lakas! Wait lang! Okay, para naman fair ang ating challenge, meron na lang akong last chance. Kasi kanina nagpa-practice ako, na-shoot ko na siya. So, napapressure ako pagka nandyan kayo, Playtime fam. Ang galing! So, let's go!
Magme-make ako ng animal sounds.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So, down to our last challenge, Playtime fam. Nako, ito, nafe-feel ko na makaka-hole in 1 tayo. So, i-good luck nyo naman ako. So, ito, nafe-feel ko na talaga. Nafe-feel ko na kung nag-failed ako dun sa 2 challenge natin. Pero ito, this is my last chance. So, let's go! Oh my God! Kita nyo yun?
Hole in 1! Woo!
Charot. Ano ba?
Ginagawa mo!
Sobrang ganda man ng huling palo ko, pero hindi pa rin ako makakatakas sa consequence. So, kakanta ako using animal sounds. So, bear with me. May!
As you know, we're having our 27th Augusto Pizarro Golf Tournament. I'd like to thank you for believing in our cause. The money that we will be getting from this, we give to our financially challenged patients. I'd like to thank our sponsors today, our gold sponsor, Playtime Entertainment. Maraming salamat po for always coming in every year, joining us. And I do hope all of you will win in the raffle and as well as get at least a trophy.
Kahit napakainit kanina, habang naglalaro ako, may natutulungan kaming tao dito sa tournament na to. So, once again, congratulations sa lahat ng naglaro and congratulations din sa lahat ng winners. Thank you to everyone, our Playtime fam, who joined and supported this vlog. And special thanks to Playtime Entertainment for helping this charity tournament possible. This has been your Playtime Zosa Arya. See you at the next event, Playtime fam.